Selamat berjumpa dengan saya. Nama saya Ibu Eva Mangunsong. Saya bertugas di SMK 57 Jakarta. Selamat berjumpa sekali lagi bagi mahasiswa program vokasi berkelanjutan Diploma 1 STP Sahid. Mata pelajaran yang saya akan berikan adalah mata pelajaran bahasa Inggris yang berjudul Guest Preferences. Mata pelajaran ini adalah bagian yang kedua karena sebelumnya kita sudah belajar tentang guest preferences. Now, we are going to start our lesson. Our lesson today is about reading a brochure. The title is Information about Yosemite. The accommodation are available in Yosemite Park are the Hotel Aswana, the Wawona Hotel, the Yosemite Lodge, and the camping place. You have to know, my students, that there are some accommodation in Yosemite Park. Remember, we already learned from the first meeting, it is about Hotel Ahwana and the Wawona Hotel. Today we are going to study about the Yosemite Lodge. Now look at another slide. Before we come to our lesson, I'm going to review about our last lesson. And these are some questions for you. Did you still remember our last lesson last week? What did we learn? Yeah, now you still remember that. We learned about Yosemite Park. What is it about? Yosemite offers a wide choice of accommodation. You may choose from the luxurious hotel to a simple tent. It's a place for people who wants to choose to stay in California. Now look at again this slide. Today the objectives are, after learning a description of places, you are able to get information about 1. Getting information about a certain type of accommodation, and the second one, get information about the facilities available in the accommodation. And this is the brochure I'm going to read to you. Please pay attention to my reading. Yosemite Lodge is within easy walking distance of most of the valley attraction. It offers attractive but simple hotel room and small redwood cabin. Because it's priced so well, this place is popular and reservations should be made as far in advance as possible. Facilities include a coffee shop, lunch, 2 restaurants, and cafeteria, as well as several shops. The rates is $43 for a single or double without bath, $40 cabin without bath, $75 single double with bath, and $52 cabin with bath. Now students, you already listened to me about our reading. It is about Yosemite Lodge. Now we look at another slide. I'm going to explain to you what is the meaning of lodge. Now look at this slide. Lodge means a cabin or other building in the country, providing temporary accommodation. For example, as a vacation home or a temporary shelter for campers, walkers, skiers, or hunters. That's the meaning of lodge. How can we get there? If you already in California and then you want to stay in the lodge, in Yosemite Lodge, how can we get there? The location of the lodge is within walking distance from the most of valley attraction. We can make the reservation through the internet. Since the place is so popular, it's better to receive it far in advance to ensure the availability of the room. So, we can get here that when we want to stay there, of course we have to make a reservation it far before we want to get there. Now look at another slide. What is available in Yosemite Lodge? What are the facilities in the Yosemite Lodge? The facilities include a coffee shop, lunch, 2 restaurants, a cafeteria, as well as several shops. These you can already know from our brochure that I already talked to you, that I already read it to you. How about the rooms in the Yosemite Lodge? They are attractive even though they are simple. Some rooms have bathroom inside, some not. There is also a redwood cabin. How can we stay there? This place is so popular and reservations should be made as far in advance as possible. Now, what are the rates at Yosemite Lodge? The rates are reasonable as the following. First, $40 for a single or double without bath. Second, $40 for cabin without bath. Third, $75 for single or double with bath. And the fourth, $52 for cabin with bath. Now, student, you already learned about the brochure, about the Yosemite Lodge brochure. Now, I want you to fill out or to answer this question as the conclusion that we already learned. Can you answer this? How about the rate in the Yosemite Lodge brochure? How to get there? And what are the facilities? And how are the rooms? This is for you to answer or for you as the exercise after you already learned from me about the Yosemite Lodge brochure. Now this is the second task for you. Fill up the grid based on the reading about the Yosemite Lodge. The question is on the left side and then you have to answer it on the right side. How to get there? What is the room types? What are the facilities? And what are the room rates? Well, students, this is our second lesson. And I'm sure you can read well and you can also learn well. And I'm very thankful if you can follow me. Well, this is our last lesson and we are going to meet again for our next meeting. Thank you for your attention.